Malito pala ng kanina.
I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Welcome to Baguio Blessed Day!
Nagpagkamalong tayo amin. Good afternoon to all of you. And first and foremost, I would like to say thank you, Lord, for all the blessings and the graces that bestowed upon me and my family. Reaching this age is a great blessing from the Lord. Thank you, Daddy Father Almighty. Thank you for everything. Then, secondly, thank you to all my children, grandchildren in my Hinapo. This was a great surprise, honestly and speaking. I did not know about this occasion because in the past, whenever it is my birthday, we go home to the province and do food feeding to the school children or to the seniors. Now I was amazed and they were silent and I kept silent. I did not know that January, because of this cell phone or this phone, they were always in the other's house. But thinking, they were communicating with each other because Marjorie was still in Canada, brother one is still in the States, and only this 1, 2, 3, 4 are here with me. I thought it's just a conversation, saying hello to one another. I did not mind to go and join them. Kaya pala, they were there. I was looking at the TV or doing YouTube, not minding what they are doing. They were planning something. This was a great surprise to me. Thank you very much to my family. Even though my grandchildren, my Apo in Tabok, Aliyah is this wife of my Apo in Tabok. Now, everybody did a part. Everybody of them contributed something. It was only 5 days before this day that they were forced to ask me. The hotel gave us a communication that we should submit the attendance. Whom are you inviting? We invited already our relatives. How about you? Do you have some friends? For what? For a birthday. Well, we already arranged with the Supreme Hotel. Yeah, it was a great surprise to me. Well, I said, I will try to contact my friends, but I don't know. They might have had previous appointments. It's just 5 days to come. True. So, because we do not know your friends. Of course, they do not know my friends. But they did everything was done pala. They had, all of them had assignments. Miss Aliyah took that, took care of that, the other one took care of that. They had all, they assigned